Good morning. Welcome back. In this video, we are going to measure the distances for non-conventional attributes. So far, we have measured the distances between objects for the quantitative and qualitative attributes. And for measuring those values, we have used the two types of clusters, partitional clustering and hierarchical clustering. And in this, specifically, it is for a non-conventional attributes distance measures. This distance measures, this will use the Hamming distances to calculate the sequence of value in order to attain the distances between the two objects. This Hamming distances can be used for sequence of values, and these values are usually characters or the binary values. The binary value means, or it may be a binary number, that is either 0 or 1. This Hamming distance is the number of position at which the corresponding characters or symbols in the two strings are different. For example, you can calculate the Hamming distances between the string James and Jimmy. If you consider these two strings, the J is common and one M is common. The rest of the characters, it is not available in both the not common in both the strings. AES, while we are coming to second string, IMY. So this distances between these two strings is 3. And you can consider Tom and Tim. If you consider this two string, T and M will get cancelled. Here, if you consider this Tom, only one character is left. And if you consider I, there Tim, and here also only one character is left. And it will be used for the sort sequences that can have a different size. Then the sequence of distance also get measured. Then for measuring that distance, it will use the edit distance. The edit distance, it is also called as Livingston distance. The edit distance, it is used to measure the minimum number of operations which is necessary to transform one sequence of data into another sequence. If we want to perform this conversions, it is possible to use the 3 operations: insertions, removal, and substitutions. The insertion means if we have given a 2 strings, if any one string is having a less one number of characters, either we have to substitute that any one character to the string, any one string which is having a less characters, and if or else if any one string is having the maximum value, then from that we have to remove one character. You can consider this example, edit distance between the string Johnny and Johnston. If you consider this two, here in Johnny, we are having only the 6 characters. While we are coming to Johnston, we are having a 7 characters. If you consider this, the JO will get cancelled. Here also JO will get cancelled. Then N and Y. If you consider that either we have to remove this N or we have to include it. Okay. If you remove this, then the distance, edit distance will be 5. 4 operations, then add a character N to the end of a 5th operation here. So it will be a 5. You can consider this example, a 2 string. If you are having a 2 strings, then we have to use the bag of words. The bag of words, it will be converted into a vector tables. For finding that, we have to find out the words, bag of words from the given 2 strings. The only condition is any word, it should not be, if any word is available in both string 1 and string 2, we have to consider only one string. And this is the another example which is having a images. If we are having a images, that should be converted into a matrix form. From the matrix, we have to convert into a vector table in order to find out the distances between two objects. References. Thank you.